Hello everyone, my name is Niranjan and welcome to my channel Niranjan Key Designs. I will give information about different design software on my YouTube channel like AutoCAD, CATIA, SolidWorks, PTC Creo, Simon NX, Solid Edge and etc. I will upload one video every day. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and share one more to your friends who are looking for a career in design. So let's begin. This is interface of AutoCAD. What is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a computer-aided design software used for creating, modifying, and analyzing digital models and physical objects and structures. CAD means computer-aided design. CAM means computer-aided manufacturing. And CAE means computer-aided engineering. AutoCAD was first conceived by Michael Reader in 1979, developed by Autodesk Inc., founded by John Walker and Dan Drake in 1982. First released 1982, AutoCAD 1.0 was released on 7 December 1982 for MS-DOS, initially called MicroCAD and later renamed AutoCAD. The features of AutoCAD is 2D and 3D design capabilities, precise drawing and editing tools, collaboration and sharing features, customization and automation options, and industry standard compatibility. The uses are architecture, engineering, construction, product design, interior design, landscape, architecture, urban planning. And most companies are using AutoCAD because increased precision, accuracy, and so many things like improve productivity and efficiency, enhance collaboration and communication. And the most important part is cost saving. This is the interface of AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a powerful CAD software that helps professionals create, edit, and share detailed digital designs, models, and prototypes across various industries. This is a AutoCAD. The many tabs: home, insert, annotate, parametric. And there are some commands: bind, polyline, a circle, home command, text dimensions, properties, measurements. That's enough for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.